Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready? Start. In these petitions, a challenge has been laid to the acquisition of large tracts of land in Delhi stated to be required for Rohini residential scheme. Stop. The principal secretary bracket PWD oblique land B bracket close comma in her note dated 15/10/1999 had requested the Honorable Lieutenant Governor to approve issuance of a notification under sections 4, 6 and 17 of the Land Acquisition Act, 1894 bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket close stop an order also invoking the urgency clause was forwarded for the Lieutenant Governor's signature stop on 27th October, 1999. The Governor Delhi passed an order in these words stop. I have gone through the records and requirements of the Delhi Development Authority and the draft notification prepared by LAC stop. I am fully satisfied that the land measuring 2673-07 Bigha in village Shahabad, Daulatpur, land measuring 2975-09 Bigha in village Pehladpur, Bangar 1178-11 Bigha in village Kheda Kala 345-02 Bigha in village Kheda Kurd, 1223-06 Bigha in village Pansali is urgently required for a valid purpose, namely for Rohini residential scheme under planned development of Delhi. Stop. In view of the urgency of the scheme, I order that notifications under sections 4, 6 and 17 within bracket 1 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 be issued, namely immediately. Stop. The notification in question inter alia states that the Lieutenant Governor Delhi is satisfied also that provisions of subsection within bracket 1 of section 17 of the said act are applicable to this land and is further pleased under subsection within bracket 4 of the said section to direct that all the provisions of section 5 within bracket A shall not apply. Stop stanza. The contention of the petitioners is that the governor had not specifically authorized invocation of section 17 within bracket 4 of the Stridently Land Acquisition Act and that this is all the more significant since the draft of the notification placed before him adverts to section 17 within bracket 4 stop. According to the petitioners, the only inference that can be drawn is that the governor did not approve of dispensing with the petitioner's valuable rights to object to the acquisition. Stop. The further contention is that since the petitioners have not been permitted to avail of their rights to file objections under section 5A and have not been given an opportunity of being heard, the entire acquisition should be struck down. Stop. It has also been argued on behalf of the petitioners that even assuming that section 17 within bracket 4 need not in terms have to be mentioned, by the governor while granting his approval to the scheme stop. So ये हमारी 80 WPM ने डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.